Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a dumb and stupid way how to import the CSS variable color into the bricks color palette system. Let's see. For now, this is the default color palette which brick provide for us. And if you wanna add some CSS variable color, you only need to go to raw and then create for and then paste the variable name and save it. Now you have a new color, and it will take the value from this hex code color from a style.css or anything or any CSS file which you included for the webs. Okay, let's see. We're gonna maybe put an overlay and then add some, yeah, let's put this and see on the front end. Okay, let's see, where is the overlay here? Linear gradient for color primary, and let's see, color primary. Where is that? Color primary here. Here. This. Yeah. The color. Take the. Not the color. The value of the background image, which is the overlay color. Take the color from style sheet here, the color primary. Since we have defined the color primary CSS variable on our style sheet, and it will take the value from this. For one or two or just a small less than 5 or less than 10 variable color, it will easy because you only need to add more on the raw, paste your another variable name here, and then save, yeah, and you repeat until the 5 or the 5th or the 10th the color variable names which you have defined. But how if I have like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, yeah, maybe 15 CSS variable for color? It will take a lot of time to insert it one by one, and so I made this stupid Excel file. I put some code. Let's see, unprotect. Yeah, I just put the JSON code, so we can use this code and paste it to JSON file, and then later I upload it on here, the import file, which is a JSON file. Let me show you. So I'm gonna delete this first. and let's protect it. Oops. Let's hide this thing. Hide. Okay, cool. Where is my CSS variable? Okay, here. So what I need to do is I only need to copy all the CSS variable for a font and then paste to here, and it will create the JSON code, which I will copy and paste it to the JSON file. But there is an error here. Oh yeah, since I need to use a hex code, I will change this first. So let's say let's change to this, yeah, to this, and let's copy and paste. Okay, it it's look good. But we need to know how the JSON code is which is needed by the bricks, so it can recognize our code here. The first thing is, let's export this color palette. Edit and export. And let's see. Let's open with Notepad aja lah. Okay, so the code will look like this. We have the ID of the template of the color palette. We have the name, and then we have the item, the color item. Each color item, it's using hex, but what I need to do is I need a raw type, not the hex type, since I'm gonna use the CSS variable name. So let's start by changing the ID to maybe my color, and then change the name to let's say theme color, and then this will replace by the Excel content of the cell. So just copy it and then paste from here to the last is here. Just paste it. Yeah, it will look something like this. And then let's save it. Color palette default 5. And what I'm gonna do is let's delete first, so we don't have the default. X row. Wait, clear. Okay, now we don't have any color palette in our bricks. We already have the JSON file. Now it's time to upload it. Let's create color palette, import, and then just upload the JSON file, and let it say theme color imported. Okay, and let's close, and then here we have our theme color palette. So just click it and see. Now our color which come from the CSS variable here, already inserted to the bricks color palette. So let's test it. Overlay color. Okay. Nice. Yeah, it's working. It's good. Yeah, it's stupid way, but yeah, I think it's good. So if I need, let's say I will create another website, and I already have the CSS variable. I just need to copy and then paste to here, and then let's copy here the the code for each item on the JSON colors, and paste here. Yeah, and then change the ID and change the name. Yeah, just it saves a lot. I think it will save a lot more time for me, since I always working with it's not always, but I prefer working with the style sheet file. Just add some styling, add some CSS straight to style sheet file. Yeah, I think it will save a lot more time of me. Yeah, anyway, yeah, I don't know if this useful for you or not, but yeah, I will upload it on my GitHub. If you interest to try this, yeah, you can download it and test it on your project. And anyway, oh yeah, let's preview the result. Oh, okay, it's working. Anyway, yeah, this is not tutorial. I said this is only I'm sharing with the alternative way to create to create a JSON file and import it to the color palette of the bricks. So thank you for watching. Happy coding, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.